5 CNC machines are quietly building the modern world, and most people don't even realize it. First, CNC lathe, spinning metal like a tornado to shape perfect cylinders. Then the CNC mill, carving out engine parts and aircraft pieces with brutal precision. Next, the CNC router, flying through wood and plastic to create furniture, signs, and custom designs. Fourth, the CNC plasma cutter, slicing thick steel using electricity hotter than lightning. And finally, the CNC laser, the ultimate precision tool, cutting metal with beams thinner than a hair. These machines don't just cut, they create the future.